What's up, guys? This is Evan with Backwoods Adventure Mods. We're down in Texas today at JR's Custom Auto, and we just finished an install of one of our new Scout bumpers for a new Sprinter. And I wanted to make a quick video to talk about your sensor systems. So if you've had an issue after an install of one of our bumpers with your parking sensors or the cruise control or the active brake assist, I want to go through a quick diagnosis process. It should be a simple fix. So first, we're going to assume that you've put your parking sensors back in exactly as they came from the factory, aiming the same direction, and you didn't mix them up or anything like that. We'll also assume that you disconnected the ground cable so that your battery's disconnected, all the stuff you're supposed to do on any install where you're touching wires. And then I want to double check the big sensor, the radar for the active cruise control. This is one of our brackets that sensor snaps into. And you can see that, I think you can see, in this little ear here by my middle finger, there are 3 little notches, and that's for adjustment. So basically, if you put it in the middle notch, if you put the sensor aligned with the middle notch in these little ears, it's in theory supposed to be aimed the same way that it was from the factory. Now, I recommend that you use the last hole, the closest one to the engine, so that will in effect aim your sensor down just a little bit. If you've done a lift kit or installed slightly bigger tires even if not, it just seems to be best to start in this back position. Now, most of the time, if there's an issue, it's not even related to this sensor. What we've found is that the parking sensors themselves, if those aren't working, that will kill your cruise control and the active brake assist. So I was able to recreate the problem on this van. So right now I've got it where there is an error message. So we'll go inside and look. So if I put it in reverse, you can see the front sensor on the driver's side is blinking. And you can also see that little error shows that it's going to give us some problems with our active braking. Even though the sensor was installed exactly like it was supposed to be, it's giving us trouble. That's going to knock out the whole system. So I'm going to flip that sensor upside down, and that's going to fix the problem. Okay, go back in here and make sure. You can tell the back is still lighting up. That's because we're literally about to back into something, it's telling me. But the front is fixed. So now when we take it for a drive, the cruise control works. We verified that just before this video. Took it for a drive, everything works just like it's supposed to. So, if you do an install and this happens to you, your cruise control is not working or the parking sensors are acting goofy like that, see which one the dash is telling you that's messed up. Try flipping it over. That's worked. Of the 5 times I've encountered this problem, this being the 5th one, it's worked all 5 times. Give that a shot. Any other questions, give us a shout. Thanks for watching. Always feel free to reach out at backwoodsadventuremods.com.